up, you guys? It's your girl Natural BB here, and I'm back with another video. So yeah, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these box braids here. So yeah, I'm using the 3X Ghana braids. I got those from the hair store, and those come with a pack of 3, and the ends are already stretched, so that's perfect. And I'm using 50 inches, and I'm also using Shine and Jam. That's what I use to get my hair parted decent, and I'm also using the rubber band method. So now I'm just showing you guys how I do my braids. So as you can see, I put the braiding hair underneath and I use my hair as a third strand, and then I start braiding just so it can blend. And then once I have enough, well, a good amount of braid, I will, then take some braiding hair and, add it onto my hair and then continue braiding. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you guys a couple more times. Here I'm detangling my hair, I'm taking my braiding hair, I'm parting it, and then I'm going to put it underneath my hair, and I will be using my hair as a third piece of braiding hair. I don't know how to explain it. As you can see, I'm putting it underneath, grabbing my hair, making it a third strand, and I'm going to start braiding. Regular mode for you guys, and then once I get a good amount of braid, like my hair is blended, I then get pieces from the braiding hair to add onto my hair so it can even it out, and that's basically just what I do. Okay, so as you guys can see, they actually look pretty neat. I'm actually surprised at myself, but they do look pretty neat. Now I'm just moving on to the other side, and I'm basically repeating the same exact steps. so as you can see, I'm finished braiding and it looks super good to me. Believe it or not, this actually only took me 2 hours. Like, I would say 2.5 hours overall. Like, to part my hair, put in the rubber bands, and braid, it took me about 2.5 hours. And yes, I did it all by myself. Okay, so I'm actually really liking how it looks because I didn't want it to be too full and I didn't want it to be heavy, so it came out perfect. And this is definitely something easy and it's a great protective style. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.